SimpliSafe Doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi? Here's the fix. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi settings. Step 1. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 4 Gs, not 5 Gs. Step 2. Ensure your Wi-Fi name and password are under 31 characters. Step 3. Avoid using special characters like or in your Wi-Fi password. Step 4. Use Alpatu or dial-pattery mixed mode for security. Fix 2. Check signal strength. Step 1. Move your router closer to the doorbell or use a Wi-Fi extender. Step 2. Open the SimpliSafe app camera settings. Connection check. Tap Start. Fix 3. Restart the doorbell. Step 1. Remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket. Step 2. Press and hold the large button on the back for 30 seconds. Step 3. Release the button and wait about a minute for it to restart. Fix 4. Factory reset the doorbell. Step 1. Remove the doorbell from the mount. Step 2. Press and release the small button on the back. Step 3. Reattach the doorbell and go through setup in the app. Fix 5. Check power supply. Step 1. Make sure the wiring provides 824 VA power. Step 2. Ensure your doorbell is connected to a mechanical chime, not a digital one. Step 3. Check that the wires are secure and not corroded. Fix 6. Update firmware. Step 1. If you can't connect to Wi-Fi, try connecting to a mobile hotspot temporarily. Step 2. Allow the doorbell to update its firmware.